Hello and welcome to this technical module on the PISTIS wallet ecosystem. I represent Ubertech. In this short series, we'll walk through how the PISTIS platform uses distributed ledger technology and identity wallets to enable secure, privacy-respecting data interactions between actors. The goals of this module are simple. First, we'll explain the architecture we've adopted and the reasoning behind it. Second, we'll examine the roles of our core components: the permissioned blockchain, the smart contract execution engine, and the identity wallet. Finally, we'll highlight a key design decision. We strictly separate identity from payments. This ensures modularity, security, and better integration across partners. In our system, the wallet we developed is purely an identity wallet. It's used for user authentication, transaction signing, and data access control. It does not handle payments. Any monetary operations, whether involving tokens or fiat, are handled by a separate monetary wallet built by another partner. This separation allows each component to remain focused, auditable, and independent. Sitting at the center of our architecture is the Smart Contract Execution Engine, or SCEE. This is the only component that directly interacts with both the blockchain and the identity wallet. It handles all smart contract logic, logs relevant metadata to the DLT, and acts as the system's communication bridge to both internal and external services. So why blockchain at all? Because in a multi-party system like PISTIS, we need a trustworthy way to verify who did what, and when. A permissioned EVM-compatible DLT like Hyperledger Besu Quorum gives us the transparency of blockchain while still offering access control and performance guarantees. It also allows us to write modular smart contracts and take advantage of mature Ethereum tools. This module is broken into 5 self-contained sections. We'll start with an overview of DLTs, then discuss why we chose EVM as the blockchain environment. We'll move on to the wallet architecture and finally cover essential digital wallet features before wrapping up. In the next section, we'll take a step back and ask, what are DLTs? How are they different from traditional systems? And why are they a perfect fit for a platform like PISTIS? Let's begin.